anoma and am aeroplane at theater form. So we shall place no at theater form. Or Hanchi Chemadu, 65% anoma.
And finally, Mr. All Knowing, Captain Kojo Smart, Abe Chelesimu, a dear portia is see ya plano a table top form. Captain Kojo Smart, Abe Chelesimu. Now, in fact, it's so interesting. Now, His Excellency the President, John Mahama, Sono, addressing the state. So far as a Plane Cràsh, Omane Boamah, any Mutara Mohammed Ewan, Air Conse, Metme Bosse, number you and say Mamma Swatias, and watch the Wabian Amame, our comment section. I hype Penyah Media. Best was a mobile like video, no other more subscribe button, number click notification on creators updates, number to the Wabian Amame, our comment section. Mess was over so. No, she will also any be asher. 80 and Ryan came in shame. Anybody needs to say Ghana Armed Forces for almost helicopter bakwa Z9 and no a crash. Ewo adanse I'm catching us a plane we no. This is not the first time that Z9 plane we a crash for Ghana had. This is not the first time. 2022 this same plane a crash Ghana ha and Kunipa. 2024 19th March 2024 this same particular plane we a crash Ghana heavy. Then nipa 14 and they were on board by the 4th year water obia ho anka. Hey! I just feel like I'm going to come on.
Opia, echiru. Oya je kwana so on film man. Don't worry.
Seba me found.
Only you really big other side.
And that particular plane we need there. To me, now a nice plane we could also I was thinking a top of floor. Yeah, the two baby near top of floor plane no a near one day. A mass one is a top form. A mass one a top form. But yes, I fire. Equire who ye me mukakra. And I said, no. Ofian Twanta Nesse. The Cody or mine, I will say, Emma or Moana or Moya involved in fact, or Munina share, Drobe. Na Enano, Anas or mine, Munina, your morning with Munina, papa, and Nano, Anna, your morning with Muye, just a Mahama, at the flowers, Echo 2 Omo Emu so.
Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Thank you. On this somber occasion, may I respectfully invite all of us to observe a minute of silence in memory of our fallen heroes.
Ni atete nso in fact ewian kana his students obonania then isu ontimi entinene obonania ni su nko and I took notice of something Abraham Mahama esuru there's na how na Jena na see hwe Mahama and I was like Jena na Mahama esuru na ehwebe di ehwebe di je ehwebe ni there's a head already all part there's a crocodile tears and all shed and I said day Jay, yeah, bro, we are mourning. Jay, we are mourning. We beg. We don't mourn. We beg. Now, after say Omo make that Omo pay that respect to the 8 heroes, no. I know how my FX did say, and you may or be addressing the public, no be addressing the state. So far as this issue, no, a concern. Now, when and someone Mahama a kaya.
Good evening, my fellow countrymen and women. It is with a profoundly heavy heart that I address you tonight. Yesterday, a tragic helicopter crash in Adanse Krofom claimed the lives of 8 cherished members of our Ghanaian family. The victims of this accident include 5 passengers and 3 dedicated members of the Ghana Armed Forces. Among them were Dr. Edward Kofi Omane Boamah, Minister for Defense; Alhaji Dr. Murtala Muhammad, Member of Parliament for Tamale Central and Minister for Environment, Science and Technology; Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Limuna, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator; Samuel Sapol, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress; Samuel Abuaje, Deputy Director General of NADMO; and Squadron Leader Peter Anala of the Ghana Air Force, Flying Officer Chum Ampedu of the Ghana Air Force, and Sergeant Ernest Ado, also of the Ghana Air Force. This tragedy represents a deep personal loss for me. I shared a close bond with many of those individuals who died. Our nation is grieving. And on behalf of the government and the people of Ghana, I extend my deepest condolences to their families, friends, and their loved ones. Know that our entire country mourns with you. We share your pain. Your loss is our loss. A loss of dedicated public servants, intellectuals, and individuals who tirelessly worked for a better Ghana. These 8 individuals dedicated their lives to Ghana's progress. That their final moments were spent in service is a testament to their unwavering commitment. We have lost some of our nation's brightest minds, and this is a moment of shared heartbreak, a time to reflect on the preciousness of life, the sacrifices of public service, and our gratitude for those who dedicate themselves to the well-being of our fellow citizens. Squadron Leader Anala, Flying Officer Ampedu, and Sergeant Ado were dedicated members of our Air Force, embodying the best of their profession. Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Limuna was a humble yet effective public servant. Samuel Sapon was a respected statesman, and Mr. Samuel Abuaje was a promising young leader. Dr. Omane Boamah was a brilliant and dedicated leader, and Alhaji Dr. Murtala Muhammad was a passionate voice for his constituents and a champion for environmental stewardship. These gallant men each served Ghana with distinction. And as we mourn, questions about the cause of this tragedy are only natural. and important. And I want to assure the families and the nation that the Ghana Armed Forces has initiated a full and transparent investigation into the circumstances of this crash. An investigative board of inquiry has been set up to investigate the cause of the crash. The flight data and cockpit voice recorders have both been retrieved. All 8 of the bodies of our departed comrades have been retrieved, and the government is in close touch with the bereaved families about identification of the bodies and final interment. In this moment of national grief, let us remember that we are above all Ghanaians, united not just by our nationality, but by our shared hope, our shared humanity, and now our shared sorrow. Let us set aside our differences and offer our collective compassion to the bereaved families. This is not a time for division, speculation, or political point scoring. It is a time for strength, for empathy, and for the enduring Ghanaian spirit that still stands tall when all else has failed. Let our words be of comfort, our actions be of kindness, and our unity be the tribute we offer to those whose lives have been lost. To the families, to the Ghana Armed Forces, to the ministries and departments that have lost dedicated staff, and to the National Democratic Congress, which mourns the passing of valued members, may you find strength in their memory and their legacy. May we all be comforted by the knowledge that though they are gone from our sight, they remain forever in the spirit of the nation they so faithfully served. On Saturday, 9th August at 5 p.m., the nation will gather at the forecourt of the State House for an evening of reflection and memorial in honor of our departed colleagues. Books of condolences will be opened simultaneously at the Ministry of Defense, the Ministry of Environment, Science and Technology, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Ghana Armed Forces headquarters, and the National Democratic Congress headquarters, and also the head office of NADMO from Sunday 10th August to Thursday 14th August. On Friday 15th August, an interdenominational state funeral will be held for the 8 heroes at the Black Star Square. My brothers and sisters, my fellow countrymen and women, may God bless their souls, and may God bless our homeland Ghana.
Now, interestingly, ever since that issue happened, and make it possible be an for comments, with a Penyah, my anti Captain Smartin can be the oh no, and the oh one chilemu, or bet much ramiatias here. A dear port ye see ye, black box crying young who ye, who black box crying a cohema who are dear, but Captain Smartin dear. Oh one chilemu corner or Tirium hobby, or bet much chilemu Penyah call fat Captain Smartin black, my auntie ka, and so munya with the Captain Yamaye. Said that time, Conem, I say Captain Man, Uniaba life. Said Uniaba, Unia to know about Sweden as a Jordan. Captain Smart, Albert Chanaj and who no say, in fact, Plane Cràsh an idiot. Ayanoma, Anoma, and I got play.
Anoma, and I'm aeroplane at theatre from. So, which planes don't want theatre from her, or Hanchi Chemedu, Sia Enum 65%, Ayanoma. Modern aircraft, aeroplanes are by we are seeing now. The year and I for yamresu, nano. You see it to be yen such a way, your friend the bird ingest, and to me, and for how we are and family. But Anoma, your friend the pete, say anyone de minimum report trust annual. Oh, mammy, Frewo, say pete, or frey. Anoma friend the pete say ora aeroplane engine ni mo a ubwa plane never form. If you say pete ni mo du eche asrewa. Say crow I friend akon crow kra no twi yere. Fantifo friend den akon kwan o say den and crow ni twi binim say the other friend no. Yes o obi as soon as for ashes to there effect kwa debi moi kwa debi enti as soon as for ashes to there no kwa debi wura aeroplane the engine mu a wo boa aeroplane be ba form e beto form say team
Captain kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ anoma ɛna ti plane no ɛtɔ fo. Etwɛde nsɛm a Captain Kojo Smart ɛwɔ ɛdeka ɛde the His Excellency ɛso ɛwɔ ka so far as 8 heroes na ɔmato anam ɛwɔ nsia do no ɛyɛ concern Ghana we are still mourning obetu akyerɛ wa adwene ama me ɛwɔ comment section aha yi Penyah Media Accra.